Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a fall inspired makeup look for you guys. This look is really easy to achieve, you guys, and I only use one palette to create this entire, well, not the entire look, but my eyes and lips and cheeks. I use this one palette to create the look. So today I'm using the Raven Elyse Deck of Scarlet palette, and if you guys are not familiar with Raven Elyse, you need to check her out. Her videos are amazing. I really love her videos, and her daughter is such a little cutie. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. So you have your palette and you also get a liner as well, and the palette comes with 3 eyeshadow, a blush, and 2 lipstick. So I use that to create this entire look. And as for Deck of Scarlet, I've used quite a few of their palettes already in the past. The palettes are always different. So basically what they are is a online makeup subscription company. So every other month you get a different YouTuber that they will collaborate with to come out with a new palette. Like I mentioned before, Deck of Scarlet is a makeup line and subscription. So every 2 months you get a new makeup palette with all the products you need to create a full face makeup look. It's super affordable, and it actually costs less than one product that you'd normally get at a Sephora or other makeup retailers. So it's only $29.95 every other month. Deck of Scarlet was so kind enough to offer me a special link so you guys can get 30% off this edition of Deck of Scarlet palette. I'm gonna put all the link and everything in the description bar down below, so you can go ahead and check that out for more details. Now, as I mentioned, each palette is a collab with a top YouTuber, and this month's artist-in-chief is Raven Elyse. And the products are also cruelty-free and paraben-free, and free shipping is available in Canada, USA, and the UK. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I achieve this look. So I already went ahead and applied my foundation, concealer, some powder just to apply my base, and I fill in my brows. So we're just gonna jump right on into the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with the Deck of Scarlet eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like. So it's really nice, cute packaging. So with this palette, you're getting 3 eyeshadows, 2 lipsticks. So this is what the palette looks like. You are getting 3 eyeshadows, 1 highlighter and a blush, and 2 lipsticks. So you can pretty much create a look using this entire palette. So the palette has more of a warm tone vibe to it, and it's very fall friendly, I think. So it doesn't have a matte shadow, however. So I'm gonna use the blush right here, Bay, and I'm gonna apply that into my crease. So this is just gonna act as my matte shadow today. So it's more of a pinky red tone, and I'm gonna use a big fluffy blending brush to apply the shadow. Okay, you guys, so this blush is actually great for eyeshadow. Blushes are really just big eyeshadows. So you guys, I got a new camera yesterday, and this is the first time I'm using it to film a video. Honestly, I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm one of those people who don't really like to read the instruction manual because it's like this thick. And I'm like, I ain't gonna read all of that. I don't have time for that. Like, I'm just gonna plug my camera in and just start filming. But yeah, it took me like 3 hours just to set everything up and like figure out my lighting with the camera. Like, I was just like, oh my gosh, maybe I should have read that manual, but yeah, I didn't bother to read it. But yeah, it took me like 3 hours to set everything up. So let me know what you guys think of this video quality down below in the comment section. So far I'm liking this camera. I'll put the name of the camera and everything in my description bar down below, just in case if you guys are curious. I'm gonna take this rose gold eyeshadow shade. This is Zaya. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a really nice rose gold shade. I really like this. The eyeshadow is coming off really pigmented, you guys, and I haven't even wet my brush. I'm gonna wet my brush though because I want it to be really pigmented, even though it does have a lot of pigment. So I'm just gonna use a little Fix Plus spray. Oh yes, even more pigmented. So if you guys are familiar with Raven Elyse's channel, then you know her daughter's name is Zaya. She is the cutest little thing ever. Like, she's so cute. Such a cute little girl. And I will say that the eyeshadow does not have a lot of fallout as well, which I really love that. I hate when my eyeshadow gets a lot of fallout. If you guys know me, you know I like to do my eyes first and then my base. So the fact that I have my base on and you're not seeing any fallout, that's a really good thing. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in that rose gold shade. So with the Deck of Scarlet palette, you're also getting a liquid liner. This one is a felt tip liner, and the name of the liner is Throwback Black. So I'll let you know right now, I am really not the best when it comes to felt tip liners. So let's see how well this one works. because I be struggling when I use a felt tip liner. Actually, this one is not hard at all. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara, and I'm just going to apply it all over my itty bitty lashes. So I'm going to go back into the blush Bay, and I'm just going to pop a bit more of that into my crease. And I'm using a crease definer brush just to define that a bit more. Now I'm going to go in with some false lashes. I'm using the Baddie Bee lashes, and these ones are in Baddie. I apply my false lashes, and then I apply some powder to set my face because I needed to set my face. I didn't include my foundation in this video because it's really all about the eyes, and I will be doing a updated foundation routine very, very soon because I have a new favorite foundation, you guys, and I really love it. So I'm just going to go in with my Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray because I don't want to be looking like a powdery, chalky mess. I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna grab this brown shimmer eyeshadow. It's like a very dark chocolate shimmer, and it's called Bomb. And I'm just gonna run this along my bottom lash line. I really like this shade of brown, and I'm just gonna run that along the bottom. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray number 7 brush, and just blend the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go back into the palette. I'm gonna grab this vanilla shade. This one is Vibes, and I'm just gonna place it at the inner corner of my eyes. So this one's not very shimmer. It has more of a matte finish to it. And I really like that for the inner corner of the eyes instead of doing a shimmer. It really opens up the eyes a lot. I don't usually put eyeshadow at the highest point of my eyebrows, but I really like this shade a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline with a black eye pencil. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into the palette and we are gonna try this highlighter. I'm excited to try the highlighter because I really, really love the gold shade. Ooh, okay, I just did a quick swatch. It looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out on my cheeks. The name of the highlighter is Literally. Hope I said that correctly. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe fan brush to apply this at the highest point of my cheekbones. Okay, glow. Yes, glow, come through. Oh, this is really pretty. So it's a really nice champagne-y gold, and I like that it's not grainy. So it goes on really smooth on the skin. It's very, very pigmented, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go back into the palette. I'm gonna grab the blush Bay, and I'm just gonna apply this on the cheekbones. Blush is very pigmented, so I don't wanna apply a lot of blush to my cheeks. So now we're gonna move on to the lips. So we have this deeper berry shade. This one is Rant. And we have Shambles over here, which is a nude shade. I'm gonna try them both on, but I always do nude, so maybe I should step out of my comfort zone and do the berry shade, just because this is a fall look. I'm just gonna line my lips really quickly, and I'm just using a brown lip pencil. And then I'm gonna go in with the lipstick Shambles, and you're gonna need a lip brush to apply this, by the way. I'm using an eyeshadow brush. I have no idea where my lip brush is. So I'm really, really loving this nude, you guys. Oh, this is really nice. I really like this. I just went back in with the lip pencil just to reline my lips. And I'm just pulling the lipstick into the liner. So this is the first lippy. I'm gonna show you guys the second one. Now I'm gonna apply the lipstick shade Rant. I'm actually really liking this lipstick shade a lot with this eyeshadow look. So there you have it, guys. This is the completed makeup look. I think it is absolutely perfect for fall. I love how this look turned out. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. Love you. Bye.